The third-generation Suzuki Swift Sport has arrived in Australia, priced at $25,490 before on-road costs, $2,200 cheaper than the VW Polo GTI and $3,500 less than the Renault Clio RS 200. The new Japanese pocket rocket picks up a new turbocharged engine shared in large part with the Vitara SUV. The 1.4 Boosterjet unit makes 103 kilowatts of power and a much meatier 230 Nm of torque between 2,500 and 3,000 revolutions per minute. Fuel use is 6.1 liters/100 kilometers. At the same time, this iteration weighs 80 kilograms less than before despite being the same length and marginally wider, tipping the scales at only 970 kilograms. So while rivals the Polo GTI, Clio RS 200 and the discontinued Ford Fiesta ST have many more horses under the bonnet, they're also heavier. Breaking down the weight savings more granularly, the body contributes 40% to the overall mass reduction, while the doors, seats, engine and assorted exterior parts are all lighter than before as well. Matched to the engine is a carried-over 6-speed manual gearbox with a shorter shift and rejig clutch, or the $2,000 more expensive automatic option. The old CVT is gone, replaced by a new 6-speed unit with torque converter. It's worth noting here that the Polo and Clio get dual clutch units, standard fit on the French offering. Showing its cheap and cheerful side, the Swift's suspension comprises McPherson struts up front and a humble torsion beam at the rear, with Monroe shocks fitted as well. The front brakes discs are vented but the rears are solid. Service intervals are every 6 months, with minor services capped at $175 and every 4th visit pegged at $379. Sporty design accoutrements include an angrier nose, twin pipes in an edgy black diffuser, black and silver alloy wheels and a spoiler. Inside the cabin is a new multi-information LCD display with a boost gauge and oil temp sensor, plus sportier dials. There are also well-bolstered bucket seats with red stitching, a flat bottom wheel, and alloy pedals. Fans of hot hatchery will well know that the Swift has a strong legacy in the Junior World Rally Championship, though the Swift Sport name itself carries back to 2005. The Hero Champion yellow paint harks to this, but you can also opt to have your car painted in pearl white, pearl black, metallic grey or metallic blue. Suzuki Australia has opted to fit a ton of standard equipment to the Swift Sport, similar to the Swift GLX. This includes touchscreen, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 17-inch wheels, LED headlights, DRLs, adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure alert, high beam assist, Bluetooth USB, privacy glass, climate control, push-button start. It also just nailed a 5-star NCAP crash rating.